And let me tell you, sister, I got your freaking back, because I'm not gonna let you sit here and spend your hard-earned money on something that ain't worth your time. So I'm gonna give you the hard fact. Sometimes we just like expensive things, okay? I don't know. And welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, it has been a hot freaking minute since we have been on this channel. I'm posting a video and putting content out to you guys. I am so excited for today's video. It has been highly requested for like the longest time. So today we are going to go over my top athletic brands, the leggings that I think that you guys should get from those brands. Listen, people, we all work so freaking hard to make some money. So I'm gonna give you the 411. I'm gonna give you the sitch. I want you to know which type of leggings from these brands and what brands are actually worth your time. If you're going to be spending money on these leggings, I want to make sure that you are getting the most for your money and that you are not getting something you are going to regret. So throughout the course of this video, I'm going to be showing you 4 different brands that I really love and the brands that I tend to see myself going to every single time it's time to purchase a new pair of leggings. So I'm focusing on just leggings today. I'm not even getting into the sports bra world. So I have 4 different brands that we're going to be talking about today. 2 are a little bit on the pricier side and 2 are a little bit more affordable. So we'll hop right into it, into our first brand. All right. So brand number 1 we're going to get into is Gymshark. So I have loved Gymshark for a while now, and if you follow me on my Instagram page, which you should totally be doing, you'll know that I wear a lot of Gymshark, a lot of their apparel. So let's get into the nitty gritty. So I'm not going to go into specific prices of Gymshark and go through their website, this, that, and the other thing, but what you do need to know is that out of all of the brands I'm going through today, this is one of the 2 more expensive leggings. It's not outrageous. We're not talking Lululemon priced leggings, but they are definitely more expensive. There's some leggings that could be $50 or $60, and there's some leggings that could be $40. So they're definitely a little bit on the pricier side depending on how much you are willing to spend on leggings. So that's something to keep in mind. So I'm going to overlay a couple of different videos of me trying on different types. So the first type that I have on is the Vital Seamless black leggings. I think these are totally worth your money. The only thing that I need to put out there is that if you get the Vital Seamless in a black color, please size down. It is definitely a little bit bigger, but only in the black size. For some reason, the black size runs a little bit bigger than all of the other colors in the Vital Seamless, but they are a super awesome pair of leggings. They are very compressive, very comfortable. I really like them, so that's definitely worth your money if you are going to shop through Gymshark. The next one that you're going to see me have on is the Energy Seamless leggings. I am not going to lie to you. I told you I was going to be totally honest, totally upfront. They are not my favorite Gymshark leggings. They are a little bit on the cheaper side when it comes to Gymshark standards. However, they are not by any means my favorite Gymshark legging. They do not have a seam down the butt, which is a big no-no for me. I really like that middle seam in the butt. It kind of feels like it creates a unibum when you don't have it. So I'm definitely a big seam, but not even just that. I'm not a huge fan on how it fits on me personally. I have seen a lot of other people wear these leggings and I think it looks so good on them. Just on me particularly and my body type, I don't love these leggings, but they do fall on the little bit of a cheaper side in terms of Gymshark. And the last leggings that you're going to see me have on is the high-waisted Flex Collection leggings. Guys, if you are going to get one pair of leggings from Gymshark, this is the one that I recommend. They do run a little bit more on the expensive side. However, they are worth every single penny that you spend with the high-waisted Flex Collection. So I have in leggings and in a short pair, and I absolutely love them. They are so comfortable. They are so compressive, but they don't like suction you in to the point that you feel like you're falling over. It is genuinely such comfortable leggings. The fit, the different contours that they have on the leggings to accentuate different parts of your body and different parts of your legs, I am really a huge fan of. As you can see, all these leggings were full-length leggings, which isn't a shock. Even if leggings tend to run 7/8 lengths, I am on the shorter side, so typically they are full length on me. So definitely out of everything Gymshark related, I gravitate towards the high-waisted flex collection without a doubt. I absolutely love it. I love the fit. I love the feel. It's definitely a go-to legging for me, because if I am going to spend a decent amount of money on a pair of leggings, I want to make sure I know I am going to like them. And with the flex collection, they have never once let me down. So if you are going to shop through Gymshark, my first collection that I recommend to you is the high-waisted flex collection. Next brand that I'm going to be talking about is Aerie, actually. So this one came into my life kind of out of nowhere. I was honestly shopping in Aerie one time, probably for like bras or underwears, and I came across their athletic collection, and I knew that they did have an athletic collection. However, I never really gave it too much of a look, but when I was in there, I saw their leggings and their shorts, and I decided to give them a try. So I do have one of their biker shorts and then 2 pairs of the leggings. So you're going to see the black pair of leggings that I have and the snakeskin color leggings that I have. So the snakeskin color leggings are more of a workout legging. They are designed for a workout, where the black leggings, although you could wear them for a workout, are definitely designed more for relaxing. So this is definitely one of the less expensive options if you are going to shop for leggings. It's definitely not crazy expensive. You're definitely getting your money's worth for leggings though. The snakeskin leggings, you guys have seen me wear so many times. The cut on the leggings is absolutely adorable. That B shape makes your waist look so good. It's so flattering, but also you're not gonna break the bank in order to do it. So these tend to gravitate more towards the like $30 to $40 range, I wanna say. But once again, I'm not gonna pop the prices on, but they're definitely more affordable. I believe they're like the Real Feel or the Real Me, it's that sort of legging. That's the name of them. But once again, you can find them online or in store. So both the Aerie leggings, the black leggings are just like a perfect lounge around the house, go out and about. Like everyone needs a good staple black legging that they can dress up but also wear with athletic clothing. So it's definitely worth your money. And the snakeskin ones, you guys see me wear all the time. I absolutely love them. They're great for exercise. I would not necessarily wear them for a leg day, even though they are squat proof. I have tested them. They're not 100% squat proof, so I tend to gravitate towards them more for different arm days and things like that. So Aerie is definitely an underrated option to get your workout clothes from. The next brand that we're going to get into is CRZ Yoga. So this is definitely an affordable brand if you want leggings that are good quality, but also within a price range. So all these leggings are $30 or under. So you're not going to get a legging that is $50 from this company. They just don't work that way. So all these leggings are around the $25 to $30 range, and they are so worth your money. So typically the leggings that you are going to be seeing me trying on are all of the naked feeling leggings in one form or another, whether it's a pattern one or whether it's a solid color. Some have pockets, some do not have pockets. I also have a matte one. That mauve one that you'll see me try on is a matte one as well. So I absolutely love it. The great part about this brand is that it is so worth your money. If you're going to be spending $25 to $30, I was not expecting the highest quality of leggings, and they are a good performance legging. They are nice and tight and compressive, but they're comfortable. Like I can lounge around the house in these bad boys all day long without a single problem at all. So that is definitely so important to keep in mind and to notice. Something that I will definitely say if you shop with CRZ Yoga is that a lot of their leggings are super stretchy, which is awesome, but what that means is that you can totally size down. All the leggings that you see me in are a size small. That is typically my size, and it is the size in every single other thing that I have tried on today. However, definitely with CRZ Yoga, they do, because they are so stretchy, I would say you could definitely size down if you like things more compressive like I do. If you like that little bit of you can see how they are very stretchy, they come back in. If you like more of that tight feel, I would definitely size down, but are able to stay true to size, I would just say if you like things more compressive and tighter to you, definitely to size down in the CRZ Yoga leggings. So this is a definitely affordable brand. So if you're looking for something that is easy and you know is good quality, I would highly recommend them. They work through Amazon, so super worth your money. And then last but certainly not least, we have Activewear. So this is a company that I am an ambassador of. However, I would not be coming on here and talking about it if I did not truly believe that their products are high quality. So there's 3 different leggings that you're going to see me try on. So one's actually a short version because I don't have their legging version. However, they do make these in a legging, which is why I am showing them. So the short version that you see me wearing are biker shorts. I have 2 pairs of these biker shorts, and they are the Inlux leggings or Inlux biker shorts. They are absolutely amazing. You can see they have an awesome middle seam in the back. They do have a middle seam in the front, but I haven't seemed to find any problems with them. They're very comfortable along the waist. They're very flattering to your body type, so it's definitely worth your money. You will then see me go into the seamless pro leggings. So I have this in a short version and in the legging version as well. This is in an awesome blue color. This has the most adorable contour all throughout the leggings. So there's contours right along your legs. There's contours down on your legs, around your butt. So it really is such a flattering look onto your legs. It makes you feel like you have a shape and have a figure, even if you don't necessarily have one. So it's definitely an awesome, like, I cannot say good enough things about this legging. It's whenever I am thinking about something that I want to feel good in, they're definitely a go-to legging for me. They're definitely compressive, but they also are true to size. So definitely I would not worry if you want things compressive but not like squeezing you. This is a good legging to go for. And then last, you're going to see the leopard leggings that I have on. So this is a legging that when everything began to happen with the Black Lives Matter movement, activewear wasted no time and hopped right on it. So when you buy these leggings, a portion of the proceeds goes towards that movement, which not only supports an awesome cause and something that I am super happy to be able to contribute to, but it also are awesome leggings. Like, seriously guys, these leggings are amazing. They're like a buttery soft material, which I don't know if you can really tell from the video, but they are so soft, they are so flattering. Once again, they do have a front seam and a back seam, but because of the color and the patterning, you cannot really tell if you were to get a camel toe in the front seam, which I don't seem to have a problem with anyway, but if you were to get it, you can't tell because of the color and patterning. They are so comfortable. They stay up. They're not suctioned tight to you. They're not as compressive as those blue ones, those Seamless Pro ones were, but they are definitely still super, super comfortable leggings. So definitely worth your money. All of Activewear's products are a little bit on the pricier side. However, something to keep in mind when you shop through Activewear is that you get a choice for every single item that you purchase to pick one of 4 charities that a portion of your proceeds goes towards. For me, in my mind, if I'm going to be spending $50 to $60 on a pair of leggings, it makes me feel better that a portion of the proceeds goes towards someone who's in need, goes towards a charity that's in need. So if you are going to put your money into a company that is asking you to pay an expensive price for a pair of leggings, at least you know a portion of that is going to somebody or people that are in need of that help and money. So I highly recommend this brand. I cannot say better things about it if you are willing to spend the money on the legging. All right, y'all, so that is going to wrap up our video for today. We talked about 4 different awesome brands today that I seriously recommend. 2 are a little bit on the more expensive side, but if you catch them coming up, they both have Black Friday deals that you don't want to miss out on that are coming up, and 2 that are a little bit more affordable that you know you always have in your back pocket if you are looking for a little bit on the cheaper side but still really super high quality leggings. I wear all of the leggings that you guys saw me try on today on a daily basis. When I go into my drawers and look for leggings or shorts that I want to wear at the gym, these are the ones that I tend to gravitate towards. So I wanted to put together a video for you guys that represented all of those different brands. These are the brands that I truly believe are worth your money. I don't want you going to some company that is asking you to pay $50 or $60 for a pair of leggings that I genuinely don't believe is worth you spending that much money. So I am the type of person that is willing to spend $60, $70 on a good quality pair of leggings, because if it's gonna last me and it's gonna make me feel confident and love it for a while, it's totally worth the money. But that's me personally. So if you are not the type of person, these leggings are cheaper, and that is totally awesome for those of you who look for those options. So that's going to wrap up the video for today. Make sure you go ahead and hit the like button. It really helps support my channel. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to this channel because we back and better than ever, baby. And don't want to miss another video that I post. If you haven't, please check me out on my Instagram. I post a lot of workouts there and a lot of other fitness and health content as well that you don't want to miss. Let me know in the comments down below of any questions that you have on any of these brands or any videos that you want to see in the future, and I will make sure to get back to you guys. And I'll catch you guys here next time.